What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Aaron Berkshire. Thank you for checking out this video. If you enjoy the content that I create, the videos that I make, the photography that I take, please like, comment, subscribe, smash that notification bell, tell a friend about the channel, and let's get into it. All right, guys, today we're going to do something we've never before done on the channel ever. That's right, you probably see it, an unboxing. This right here, guys, is an electronic drum set. And I know what you're thinking, not a camera or a lens or some sort of photography related thing. Well, yes, drums are something I've enjoyed doing since I was a young kid. It was my dream growing up and I played pretty much my whole life. Recently, I got into it. I wanted to purchase a new electronic drum kit. So I picked up the Roland VAD 307-2. Absolutely sounds like a droid, something out of a Star Wars movie. But we're gonna build it, we're gonna put it together, we're gonna set it up, we're gonna kick a beat. Then I'm going to give you my initial thoughts, a quick review on it. We're just going to see how the electronic kit does with my kind of playing style, how hard I hit. It's mesh heads, it's got Bluetooth, just a really awesome kit like from what I've seen online. So we're just going to check it out in real life. Let's put it together. Let's get rolling on it. So I just wanted to mention that these things are not included with the Roland kit, the bundle that you would purchase. It does not come with a snare stand and it does not come with a hi-hat stand. So I purchased these just off of Amazon, just good deals that I thought were good and the brands that I like to play on. So for the snare stand, I picked up the Pearl S930S. I love how they name all the drum stuff because if it wasn't a bunch of letters and numbers, I would never know what drum part is what. I picked up a DW3000, not to be confused with the 9000 or the other thousands that these things come in. I don't really know the difference too much, and I'm sure you as the viewer of this video do know the difference, but I don't care enough to know the difference. But anyway, that's enough of me rambling. This is a hi-hat stand DW3000, and I'm excited to use it. So I also do not have my own drum throne yet. I actually purchased it 2 nights ago, also on Amazon, and I thought I ordered a quicker delivery than I did, and it is not here yet. So what I'm actually been practicing on is my wife's makeup chair that she sits on. This would be her makeup throne. And for some reason, it just really does exactly what I need it to do when I'm playing drums. It supports me really well and it moves around perfectly. So I'm gonna enjoy the drum throne that comes, but for now, I also really enjoy my wife's makeup throne. This electronic drum kit also does not come with a kick pedal, so you have to purchase one. I went ahead and purchased the DW2000 double kick pedal, not to be confused with the other thousands of levels of kick pedals. This one does a great job. Every drummer knows, moved every single thing in the position that is comfortable for me. We've got everything kind of set how I want it. It was pretty easy to set up. Just gotta, just move it to your liking. But mine is feeling good now. Just initial thoughts, the mesh, compared to the old school rubber pads, I feel like I can't hit them as hard and be as theatrical hard about it, but it's about control. Obviously, when you're hitting, when you get into the music, I'm gonna have to learn to play probably a little softer, but it's pretty good. We're gonna get all the actual head unit, and we're gonna get all the wires plugged in next. But as for setup, this authentically really feels like a real drum set. If you look down here, you can see that everything is really shells, and it really just gives off the vibe of a real drum set. But yeah, we're gonna get all the electronics hooked up and we're gonna play. So underneath we have a whole bunch of wires, and don't let it get too confusing. This big mass bunch right here will plug in right up underneath the main hub board. Call it the motherboard. So then you're gonna take these and you're just gonna go around and you're gonna plug in, they're labeled, and it's gonna be really easy for each individual cord to find its home. Also, it does come with a bunch of Velcro bands for you to secure all the wires to each stand. I'm not gonna do that right now because just for this demonstration, the drums are in here, but I'm gonna be moving them from in here into where I actually practice and play and record in the garage. So I'll probably use these out there. Last thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna get it plugged in, get the power hooked up, and then we're gonna turn it on. All right guys, we have it fully plugged in. We have it fully set up. It's on the rock kit. We're tracking. I'm just gonna doodle for a minute and then play to some music so you guys can hear what it sounds like. So here we go. Alright guys, so that's the unboxing setup. My overall thoughts right off the rip is this kit is awesome. If you want the feel of a real drum kit, the Roland VAD is a great choice. It sounds awesome, great for recording. There's many different electronic kits out there for you to try. This one was in kind of the price range that I was going for, and I think it's really awesome. So, hope you guys appreciated the video. Until the next one, peace!